My name's Heath Badal with the JPH Group. We had a problem with our backflow. We ordered the Zurn Wilkins model 350 ASTR, which is a nice little drop-in unit. You take one little form, measure, fill it out. They ship it the exact length that you need. Makes it real easy for your contractor to install, and obviously cuts down on labor costs as well.
I'm Ben Bennett with Backflow Prevention Specialists, and they asked us to come out and replace their fire valve. So we used the new Wilkins 350 ASTR. The length of the new assembly is already the same length as the old assembly, which made our replacement time almost nothing. And that's why we like using the Wilkins. It's a quick replacement. The parts and things are a little cheaper than some of the other manufacturers out there, so the customer ends up saving in the long run as well.